Want to take your Excel skills to the next level? In today's video, I'll show you how to edit a drop-down list in Excel like a pro, step by step, using a real-world example. Okay, let's get started. Let's say you're tracking the status of tasks. In column B, you want to select from Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. That's a drop-down list. Before we edit one, let's quickly see how to create it. Select the cells where you want the drop-down. Here, I select B2 to be 11. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. In the pop-up, under Allow, select List. Now select the range of the list. And hit OK. Now, you have a functional drop-down list in place. Let's say your team added new statuses, on hold and canceled. Here's how to update your drop-down list easily. Click any cell or select the range with the drop-down, where you want to edit the drop-down list. Go to the Data tab, then Data Validation. In the source box, select the new range. And finally, click OK. Now your list includes all 5 statuses. Want to make it even more professional? Use a named range. Now select the range of the list. Then go to the name box. Type Status List. And hit Enter. Again, go to the Data Validation source. This time, replace with Status List. Just press F3. Select Name Range, and click OK. It's easier to read, manage, and update, especially in large workbooks. And that's how you edit drop-down lists in Excel like a pro, with both static and dynamic options. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on smarter Excel tips. Got questions or want to see a tutorial on dynamic dependent drop-downs? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.